I am drinking for my life right now to remove the hiccups.
Extremely valid. Oh, so you're drinking and I'm making you laugh. That's even worse. You got the 0. Ow. Stop the hiccups. Chat, if you guys say stop, hiccups stop, hiccups stop hiccuping, I think it's gonna stop the hiccups. I
hiccuping.
think that's scientifically proven. Yeah.
Unfortunately not. Okay, right after.
Okay, what if chat type no hiccups allowed?
Oh, no, I do you one better. 5 gifted subs and no hiccups. No, I'm kidding.
Oh yeah, you heard that, guys. There's only one cure for the 0 hiccups. It's 5 gifted subs.